Using this free and simple software, you can record, convert and compress bulk video and audio files in different formats with high quality.
Hi all, welcome back to another video. Myself jainjejo and you're watching Creative Lab. In today's video, I have come with another free PC software in which you can convert any video into 1000 plus format in high quality, compress the video and also record your screen without watermark. Cool, isn't it? To know more about this application, stick to the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started.
At first, all you have to do is just go to any of your web browser and search for the link which is in my description, and you will be directed to their official page where you can download the file for free. Once the downloading is completed, open the folder and proceed for installation. Once the installation is completed, click on Start Now button. Now this is the app icon and I will show you what all features are available in it. The actual name of the software is Minitool Video Converter 3.0, which is the latest version. Now for selecting a file, you can click over here or you can choose Add Files option and select the required video and click on Open. Now in this dashboard you will see the selected video file with its information. For converting, click on that small tiny box and select the video format and resolution according to your needs. And you can see a lot of video formats are supported in here. So once you have selected, just click on the convert button. Before that, have you noticed a tiny clock at the bottom, which allows you to do certain functions like shutting down your computer or software after the process of conversion, which means after conversion it will automatically turn off your computer as well as exit the program. In here you can select the required path to save your converted video output. You can also convert any of the audio file to different format in the same manner, which is also supporting for different types of operating system. And now just click on convert and your conversion gets started, where you can see the percentage of progress. And in the meantime, I will show you other features available in here. For that, click on video download and you can download any of the YouTube video in high quality for personal uses. After selecting a video, click on this download icon and select the video quality and click on download, and your download gets started. Now the next feature is screen recording. Now for recording the screen, click in the center and you will see a pop-up like this. And for capturing you will get these two options. And in here you can select the audio source and finally click over here to start recording. In this free software you can also convert or compress multiple files at same time. So that I will show you how to compress the size of a video file. For that I am choosing another video and the video get added in the dashboard. Now just click on that small box, and also you can customize your output, but it is not necessary. Now select a necessary lower resolution to compress the size of the file, because higher the resolution, more will be the file size. And finally click on convert and you can see both the videos are under conversion at the same time.
A few moments later.
Once the conversion is completed, click on this option and you will see the converted file. Now click over here and let's see the output. It is fine. So that's all about this converting software, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like. If you're new here, just consider to subscribe. Turn on the bell icon so that you will get notified with my latest videos. So stay safe and peace.